Hello, my friends and family, hello. I am Wowwy, this is thru, and we are tool talking, guys. And today we are featuring the tools of Arbortech tools. Okay, they don't know who we are, but man, am I excited about this. We've been wanting their tools for a long time. So all that's left now is just for the fun to begin. Thru. And here we are, folks. Welcome back to Wowwy'z Workshop. And I am so happy to see you back. And just, yeah, having fun, guys. You saw the old intro KO there. I'm just having fun with music. And this is my brother-in-law Leonard's company that I got these from, Shining Glasses. And it's glowproducts.com. Very easy. I'm going to put it in the description too. But that's just a shout out, and I'm supporting him. So when you see me wearing my goofy glasses with the flashy lights, it's because I'm supporting family. And now, you know what we're here for. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, I guess I shouldn't show that side. There's an address on there, but here we go, guys. We are unboxing it. I haven't even told my friends what I had. I just said, you gotta wait for the video. Gotta wait for the show. But I have been just itching to do this, you guys. Here it is, folks. We got the ball gouge. Yes! Yeah! I'm so stoked to get this, man. Oh, goodness. Well, better move my shiny glasses. And the paper. Oh, don't want to cut myself again because I'm good at that. You've seen that. And here we go, guys. Wow. So, they connect to your angle grinder. It's a part ideal for power carving unit. Well, that's the thing that they sell. It's like an angle grinder, but it's a special one. But this thing attaches to your angle grinders, 4.5 and 5 inch. And it tells you the spindle sizes. I don't know, it's 5/8 only in North America, it says. And then your RPM max is 12,000, they say. Okay? So I'm going to have to check on what I just got the new, well, you saw it was the last tool talking. It was the last tool talking, you guys. Did you see it? Where we got this bad boy. Hey, the old dewalt. So yeah, I'm really stoked about that. The DC G412, folks. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. We're just getting the tool talkings going. But so this is gonna go on this, and we are going to make some freaking magic. Okay? All right. Now, I am just going to do I promised it was going to be a legit unboxing, so let's unbox her. Well, I tried being nice. I'm just too damn excited for this. God damn, Wowwy. Alrighty. Now what? Okay. Put this away. Put that away. Okay. We got some power carb like a pro. Okay. Places I can go on online there and learn some more stuff about it. And then I got, your classic. So good things come in small packages. They sure do. And there's also a thing that I put on my Santa list. It's called the Precision Carver set that I just might be able to get this year too. That's what I put on my Santas. Okay, and yep, they got the mini carver. Look at that thing, eh? I've never had enough money for that. The power carving unit. It looks like a super high-tech amped up angle grinder. And this here, the power chisel. That's neat. Sorry guys, you don't. Well, this is here. That's the precision carving set for smaller things. And then there's a mini pro. Okay, let's check this little guy out. So you put it on the nut of your angle grinder, and my goodness, is that sharp. Wow, eh? Let's give a, can you see that? I'll make sure and really get a good close-up of it. Oh, in editing I'll make it zoom. But it's got that angle tilting upwards, so I guess that works out for the way you hold it, your angle grinder. And okay, so they give you this Allen key here. That'll be for changing out that blade, or maybe you can spin it or flip it around. I have to read all the instructions and get the rundown and the lowdown, but that's where the Allen key nut is in there. I always thought in my head that it was to tighten it to this, but it wasn't. See, well, he's not so clever after all, is he? No, I thought there was something shaky there for a second. So let me just go grab that again there. Ping. Alrighty. I'll get this blade off and then be right back, because you guys don't want to see that. Or maybe you do. Maybe you do want to see that. So I'll just show you how I'm going to bumble through it all and see what happens. Now, this backing pad, would I leave that on? Let me see. Or, I don't know, something tells me that I wouldn't put that, I would put this on, yeah, all the way down. That's how I'm gonna keep that backing pad with the nut and not lose that, but I feel like that's the right way to do it. Then you lock your angle grinder and then give it a good, that's probably the size for the angle grinder wrench I actually used on this new dewalt. You can use Allen key to open it. Two of the holes have the Allen key. Octagon, whatever an Allen key is. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten that with a proper wrench, and then you guys, we're gonna try it out. No time, no rest for the wicked, and no time like the present. We're gonna do it to it. All right. Look at that, guys. How's that piece for a piece of crazy? My wife's, well, yeah, one of her most best friends, I guess you'd say. Ducky. Shout out to Ducky. She came by one day with a story to say and a piece of funky wood. How's that? And it always had this, it has some cracks, but I'm going to be using 2-part waterproof industrial epoxy in the floor of it, so nothing's gonna seep through, but it will have a drain hole. But yeah, what better piece? I'm gonna put it in the jaw horse and then go in. Sorry about the camera and the swearing, but yeah, gonna make this in here the succulent holder. And then in here, like we do, my brother and I do the crazy copper wire and stuff in beach glass. I was thinking maybe a bigger piece of beach glass that's we've already put the border on, and then attach it in there and tie it to this and tie it off. And I don't know, something funky. Gonna figure out this piece here too, but that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. I took the guard off this so I can work around better. I actually watched a Matt Carr's video quick. Shout out to Matt. And if you have never heard of Matt's channel, go to Matt Carr's. Yeah, I look up to him. I learn a lot from him. He's got a wicked channel, way bigger than ours, but yeah, he's a brother in the tribe. Okay, let's get set up. So here we are, folks. it stopped raining here on the island, so I'm going to jump on this opportunity. I got out the jaw horse. This thing is so important it's makes things very, very safe, especially to all the lighthouses out there that are working by themselves. A very, very important tool. Okay, so we got the wood. I'm hoping that it's going to lock in there. They're not giving me no grief. You got to think about the part that you want to carve out too, so that's there. So I'm going to try and lock it this way. That's pretty good. Do it one more time for good measure. It's sliding out. That's gonna have to do. All right, folks. Now I dive right in here, folks, and I am instantly gratified, and I have this feeling inside that's like, oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Already thinking of all the awesome things I'm gonna make. Planners for everyone. Hey Ma, you need another planner? Here comes Wowwy. Oh yeah, many planters to come. And here I am, I'm just getting the feel of it. And I can tell that it's likened to be kind of tilted on its side. That's how it engages the cutters. And I've learned after that, it does not cut on the very, very end of the ball. So keeping it on its side is best. Holy smokes, that is so cool, you guys. I am so stoked. This is wicked. I love it. I love it. I've got to stop. It's still going to start raining on us here, guys. But I stopped. I got her in pretty deep. I'll pull it out and give you guys a final pan of how deep it got in there. But holy smokes, man. What you can do and how fast you can do it. Let me get on this side here. Just a sec. I got glasses still on. Okay, guys. How fast you can do it. That is just so cool. And what I learned right quick is that you feel how it wants to pull. Okay? And you learn that right quick. So you pull it on its side, and if you're going against the grain and how it's not liking it, it's going to be jerky. Okay? It's going to be jerky, and you're going to be able to know it. Don't do that. Don't force it. If you want to get to that spot, go to the other side, drag her nice, okay? Be gentle, and be safe. And hey, here we are. There is no YouTube without you. Thank you for watching another episode of Talkin. On behalf of me and LaRue, two brothers, one vision, two. Much love. Okay, I'll pull you out there. I gotta give you the pan by. Well done, Arbortech. That's one wicked tool. We love it. Look at that. Oh, succulent holder world. Here we come. Look out. Much love. I mean it this time. My two brothers, one vision.